here. Don't forget to breakfast because this morning. Okay, I just want to prepare for going campus now. So let's go. Just stay tuned here. My vlog. The first I want to breakfast maybe before I'm going campus. And then yeah, I just want to think my brother because he's first going to take a bath, so I'm not going to take a bath first. Actually, I'm so sleepy. Still sleepy here. No, I don't have weekend. Look at this. I wanna go, guys, but wait for a few minutes. It's very sleepy. Yeah, really sleepy here. What about you? Look at this. Maybe this is so early for yeah, but I'm really like to prepare early morning, right? Yeah, yeah. This is my routine for morning, like just breakfast and going helping my mom, and then I just breakfast first before going campus because this is so important thing. Okay, look at this. Just drinking and breakfast all like this in the morning. Yes, I just want to make 5 minutes now. Maybe I'm ready for presentation now. We don't have a subject for presentation. But yeah, my Canva is error, guys. To like PowerPoint is good. Just that make me feel like so really annoying. My God, so annoying. And then I don't have a Wi-Fi. This is Aida here. I'm in hurry to Green Campus now. Look at this, my outfit. This spins for finish for prepare Green Campus, guys. What the hell? Look at so brightness here. Wait. This is Aida, just arrived at campus now. Yeah, I'm so shy. I'm so nervous to join uh to join um the subject because we have a presentation now, but I feel like I'm not ready yet because I'm not. Yeah, I'm done to make it writing, but my PowerPoint is not ready now. So I think I'm not ready for presentation maybe for today. I feel like so really not ready. How about you guys? Are you have application for me? I think I'm not really ready now. Oh gosh. And where is my friend? My friend is not ready until now. Oh, it's so late. I think it's really late here. Yeah, cause my friend, like usual, so uh, on time going campus. But now I didn't see my friend at all here. Just it's not my circle. No, I mean, yeah, my close friend is not here. No, I just see nothing. My friend. Wait, I want to buy something first. Look at this. Where's my friend? I'm not seeing my friend at all here. Maybe they still prepare for going campus. But I'm so early to going campus, guys. Yeah, really early, guys. And I think it's early morning, maybe. Or no, just waiting for my friend now until they arrive here. Actually, hey, I think we don't have a question for phonology now. Look at this. He's still done. Nothing people here. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay. Look at this. My outfit now is blue and green. Just simple. Maybe she's the actor. I just see here. Oh my gosh, I just see. Uh, I just see the one lecture, guys. Maybe she's not. He's new and yeah, just follow my vlog for today. Just waiting me after. No, I mean uh after I finish, don't go to see my video because I will making a video every day. Like you see me and you know now I just see so many students going school. It's look like they just going home, go back home. Yeah, maybe don't have time for school now because it's week because Eid al-Adha is coming, so that's why they look like go back home again after going school. But I don't know the truth. Is my brother is not have a class now. Oh my god, guys. I don't see my friend. Where is my friend, guys? I mean, this is me here alone. It's nothing my friend here. Oh my gosh. It's make me feel like so weird. So, like, I'm with my friend here. She make me confused. Maybe we don't have a clash. I don't know. So confused. Oh my gosh. Okay. The blue sky now. It's so very beautiful, right? Okay. Can see here. It's so very beautiful sky here, guys. And yeah, maybe I wanna go like to the beach. It's like so very brightness. Today is very brightness. So I really want to go beach. I really want it. But my friend is not ready, guys. So my friend is not here. Oh my god, so long to uh, waiting my friend to go come. And okay, maybe I wanna close this video and thank you for your attention. Bye bye.